Hey guys, this is MJ from Two Little Stars, and today I am gonna show you how to make an easy what do you call this, a vending machine in Minecraft. It's super easy. Oh my gosh, it's raining. Wow, on my first Minecraft video. Okay, whatever. Yeah, maybe I might do a tour of my world, but my world is not done actually. So, my car. I'll just do the vending machine over here. So I'll just clear out my stuff. So all you're gonna need first is, why do I keep on saying first is? Your block of choice. I'm gonna pick iron for this. Oh, there's glitch. Next is a dropper or dispenser. I like using dispensers. A hopper, a button, and sign, and some gold nuggets, and also what you are gonna put in your vending machine. And I think I'm gonna use soul sand. I'm not sure. Yeah, I was just saw soul sand. Sorry about the background noise. It's because my brother is there. Okay, so I'm gonna build a 3x4. Oh wait, no. I'm not sure. Okay, just build 3x4. Oh wait, no, 4x4. And then, oh yeah, 3x4. I keep on getting twisted. So all you're gonna do first is just make an outline, and then in here you're gonna put one dispenser in here, and then the other one on top, and then you're just gonna put a sign here like a soul sand. You could put as much stuff as you want, or different stuff. And maybe I will also add some smooth sandstone. Okay, I'm just getting random stuff. Smooth sandstone. Oh, it doesn't fit. That doesn't matter for now. Okay, and I'll just change this. Okay. And then put your hopper, actually, wait, I don't like grass blocks when people see the outline. And just put a hopper here actually, and then just put in your stuff that you're gonna put in your vending machine. Oops, not that in there. And then put your button there. And for example, like, oh look, here's a vending machine. Okay, whatever, that's worst acting. I'm gonna buy salt sand. Oh wait, no, I think I should change the sign into soul sand. For me, a gold nugget is 25 cents, so I'll just do that, 25 cents. Oh wait, it's the other way around. I don't know. Okay, whatever. So pretend I'm gonna buy soul sand, so I'll just hop in put my 25 cents, and boom. Whoa. So yeah, that's basically it. And I also have another one. Wait, oh, there it is. by my horse park and my pig park. It's a Friendship World vending machine. I sell cookies and carrots, friendship cookies, and pig and horse food over there if you want to feed them. And they're all 25 cents. So yeah, that's it for this video.